You would like to know if Etsy ads are worth it for your Etsy shop. Do they increase sales? Do they bring in more people into your shop? Well, certainly they will bring more eyes to your products, but will people click on your ad? These are the major questions that we will talk about today. Hi there, my name is Emeshe from Everything Digital, and here on this channel we talk about digital products, making money online, and business finance. I will be announcing my secret project very soon, in a few weeks. So if you would like to be the first one to know, then click on the link in the description down below and sign up so that you will be the first one who will know about this amazing project that will make your digital product creation journey so much easier and so much faster. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My handle is emeshe_everythingdigital. Without any further ado, let's get into the Etsy ads. As I have multiple Etsy shops, I have two. I have a printable planner and an editable template shop. I can show you how Etsy ads work in these two very different shops. And of course the results are very different as well. In the first shop, Etsy ads are going great. They bring in consistent views and consistent sales. And in the other one, I took the decision to stop Etsy ads altogether. So let's compare these two shops and the Etsy ads in them. And I hope this will give you enough information so that you can decide if you want to run Etsy ads in your shop or not. This information applies if you are selling digital products or physical ones, it doesn't matter. I will show you my experience with Etsy ads. Not the offsite ads, but the ones that we are able to control. So we are back, and this time we are in the editable template shop. Let's go to the Etsy marketing tab. And here is the Etsy ads section. So as you can see, I don't have any campaigns running now. So let's check a custom date, February 1st until February 28th. So I only have some limited data because I'm not running them at the moment. So it says that in the month of February, we made $49 off of Etsy ads in this shop. And we had only 4 orders. And for these 4 orders, we had to spend $56. This means that we lost $7.03 on ads. So yes, this is why I took the decision to stop Etsy ads in this shop altogether. If we will do the extra work, which I want to do with my team, to redo a big chunk of the listing images that are not up to standard, then I might reconsider running ads in this shop again just to test it out. Of course, I will document everything. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you will not miss any new updates. That's how it went in this shop. Now let's hop over to the editable template shop and I will show you some kind of different results over there. So let's hop over to the marketing tab in this shop too, Etsy ads. And as you can see, the results are quite different here. So let's check the same time periods. So let's check custom and February. Here I will be able to show you 3 full months, February, March and April. So you can see that how the numbers fluctuate throughout the months. Keep in mind that this shop is very B2B oriented, so I sell mainly to businesses. As you can see, in February we made $1,021 with 86 orders. And for this, we only had to spend about $280, which means we more than tripled our money here. This was the month of February, great month. Excellent. Now let's check the month of March. So in the month of March, another good month, we made $915 with 80 orders. And we spent $308, which is again 3 times our money. Excellent. But now here comes the month of April. And the not as rosy results. And here, as you can see, we only had 63 orders and we made $648. And for this, we had to spend almost $300. In this case, we only doubled our money. Yes, what I think contributed to this decrease is the Easter holidays, mainly, because my target audience was, I believe, or on holiday, or not interested in buying these products at the moment, or on vacation simply. So as you can see, you cannot get the same results every month. I hope that in the month of May it will go back up again. I will update you on that, of course. Etsy is pushing me to raise my ad budget. We are still on the 2nd of May, that's when I'm filming this. And I'm thinking that I will do an experiment and I will increase my Etsy ads for 1 week from $10 a day to $20 They are pushing me to increase it to 15, but I will do 20 a day. And let's see what kind of results will this generate for 1 week. And if it's going great and it's tripling or quadrupling this invested amount in ads, then I will keep it going. But if not, I will shut it down after a week, and that will be it. What do you think of Etsy ads? Do you use them in your shop, and with what kind of results? As you saw, these are my results with Etsy ads. It's a hit or miss. It depends on your target market, your niche, your audience. There are lots of factors included. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video on digital products and making money online. And also don't forget to sign up to be the first one to find out about my secret project. I will make the announcement very soon. I'm really excited about it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!